Dude, what the? Fun and games.
So guys, today's game night, Monopoly.
We play Monopoly every game night.
I like Monopoly! Now who to pick? Who we gonna be?
I want to be the dog. He's so cute!
Okay, I'll be the car.
No, Tom! I want to be the car.
No, you're the dog.
But Tom! I'm always the car.
Guys, I'll be the car.
No, Mason, you're the iron because you're the most feminine here.
But I wanted to be the car.
You know what? No one's the car. I'm totally the car.
Dude, what the fuck?
You know what, Tom? Doesn't even matter, because I'm gonna win. Yes, a 2. 1, 2, oh, come on! That's the 3rd time I've been in jail again.
Alright, it's my go. Shit!
Ah, that's £50, Jeremy.
What? That's not fair.
Give me your money.
Tom, chill. It's just a game.
Thanks. Very generous of you. My girl. A 6. Sweet.
Yeah.
That's £20 you owe me.
Oh, God.
£20. I've only got £2 grand.
Really, Tom, you can spare £20 for the little guy, which is me, so yes, cop over.
I'm sick of that shit!